Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing an easy tteokbokki recipe with you. First you need 1 cup of rice cakes. I got mine from my local Korean store. Next you need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of Korean red hot pepper paste. I also got this from my local Korean market. Turn your burner onto medium heat. First you're going to add the 3/4 of a cup of water. Then add the 2 tablespoons of sugar and the 2 tablespoons of red hot pepper paste. You're going to stir them around and wait till it starts simmering. Keep stirring it around until the pepper paste has dissolved. Next, you're going to add the 1 cup of rice cakes. You can do this when the sauce begins to simmer. Set a timer for 8 minutes and continue to stir the rice cakes around, making sure that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. After a couple of minutes, the rice cakes will get softer and the sauce should start to thicken. Remember to keep stirring to make sure that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. If you want your rice cakes to be a little softer, you can cook them for longer than 8 minutes. After the time is up, you are all done. Your rice cakes are ready to eat. These are very basic, but you can add things like cheese and cut up fish cakes as well if you want to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this was helpful. I think that is it for today, but thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.